Hi, this is Nova Piano Pastor. So today I want to show you how to use pentatonic scale on F sharp. So I did a video different way you can use your pentatonic scale on the C major. In case if you miss it, you can go and check it. But today I'll just show you another way to use your pentatonic scale on F sharp. So let me quickly call out the notes for you. This is F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. Now, this is how I want to use it now. Okay, let me play one groove. This is it. Say get it. Now let me show you what I did. On my left hand, I'm doing tritone. This is tritone on F sharp. I play A and E flat. So on my right hand, I slow. That is G sharp, slow to B flat. Then I'm going to do E flat here. You see? So you see, then I'm around the scale like this. Let me slow it down for you. So another technique you can use is that you can do like this. Again, let me do it slow. Let me start from here. Again. So let me do it fast. Hope you are getting it. Hope you are getting it. So that is just it. This now going like this. Say get it. Now this one now doing the play. And don't forget tritone. I hope this will help you guys. Make sure you follow me for more video tutorial like this. Your best is here to come. You are great.